Hey, welcome back to my channel Sam the Rescuer, and this is Sahil welcoming you all to my channel back again. Today we are going to talk about BTC, that's the ticker of Bitcoin, and what's happening in Bitcoin. Is it crashed? Is it going to crash? Is it going to go more below? So we're going to talk about it, and we're going to talk about the FA and the TA. FA is like fundamental, what's going around in the market and what's the news and what's happening, what the government is planning, and TA is the technical, the charts, what the chart is talking about. So let's not wait further and let's going to start. This is our chart and BTC. This is the daily time frame. You can look here. Okay, so we can see the volume is not that much. Okay, so first what we're going to start, like how it started, the beginning I was talking about, and I was tweeting a lot of time that this is not the bull, this is not the bull, and I've seen them so many influencers that they were like screaming this is bull, this is bull, and I was like, no, this is not bull, this is fake thing, because BlackRock and so many institutions, they invested, so they will be taking a little dip. So at this moment there was no, I mean, like last few months there was no new investors, the volume was low, there was so many red flags, so I knew this is not going to be bull. But yes, there is a bull coming, and you can see this moving average. So we broke this moving average. This is a 100 moving average, by the way. We're going to talk about moving average, how, and the people, I mean, like the members, our family members who don't understand about the moving average, we're going to talk about this. I'm going to explain it. People who are new to charts and all, I'm going to explain how the chart works, what are the indicators and everything. So that's going to come. So right now BTC was important because there was a lot of talk about BTC dump and BTC crash. Crash is a very harsh and big word. So this is not a crash, this is a correction, by the way. So there is always a correction. Market can't move straight like a rocket. It has to be like a organic, like going up and down and up and down. So if you see the market is going straight up, like most of the crypto, like memes especially, so if the market is going straight up, that means it's going to fall further, like very hard. So in that way, this is organic, this is good, and I feel this is bull. This is so bullish, man. If you guys haven't invested, if you guys are not into crypto, I would say this is the best time to get in. And and I'm not talking only about BTC. BTC is like huge, the market cap is huge, but there are other crypto, the other tokens as well. So low cap, mid cap and high cap, invest divide your portfolio, diversify in a very proper way. I won't say like just go into high cap, not the mid cap. Low caps are good as well because most of the money is made in low cap, but that's more risk involved over there. So what I would say, diversify it, make your portfolio in a way that you get the pie of everything, the juice of everything. Anyways, let's I'm going to talk about, like later I'll make a video if you guys want to know which tokens and which projects I am bullish about, and that's a lot of research what I have done in those projects. So if you want me to share it, let me know in the comment box. If you want me to share all the projects what I believe is bullish, and that's really bullish, and I'm very strong with that. Okay, so what's happening with BTC is showing some correction, and I'm sure like you must have heard about the German is selling off the 3,000, I guess 3,000 BTC or something, 170 million, not 3,000, yep. And even the Mt. Gox as well. So these are they haven't sold, the German haven't sold when BTC was in 17 plus thousand. So what happens now when it was like 60,000, 60k and they started selling off? This was all well planned, guys. This is all planned. The government does exactly what the chart says. It's not, they make the news. News is noise. So make sure whenever you're following the news, it's just the noise. You have to do the opposite. So if they're saying if there is a FUD about BTC, that means you have to get into it. There's no way. So okay, let's see what's happening, whether it's going to go down. Yes, I feel, and not feel, but I can see that it may go down a little further. So over here there is a structure. Structure means somewhere there where the where BTC stopped, and like I'll show it to you, you'll understand better. This is structure as well, because here BTC stayed for a few days. Like this is a structure as well. So structure is anywhere it made a support or the resistance. So that is a structure. So this is a structure. This is, you can see this is a midpoint of M. If you guys can't see the M, I'll show it to you. You see this. So this is the M, and this was one of the M which got completed. So when the M gets complete, the market goes up, and this is what happened. The market pushed back again because the M got completed over here. This was small m. But if the weekly candle closes below this M, this midpoint, then we have greater chances to fall down to complete this M somewhere here. So anyways, as of now, sorry guys, as of now what I see over here, there is a structure, and it might come here and test, and from there we might get a pushback again. So this is not a crash, this is called correction. Crash is a very strong and harsh word, guys. So this is not crashing, and like this BTC is the future, and mark my words, after a few years you'll get to know, and this, even in this bull run, you will understand why I say this. What I see is like BTC going, and when starts, the bull is going to start in like few months. We have a election as well, and I'm sure like Mr. Donald Trump is going to come back again. So anyways, good luck for Mr. Donald Trump, and we are expecting him, and he is the president of crypto as well. As he said, he commented that I'm going to promote crypto and I'm going to support crypto as well. So yep, what I see after this correction, the bull should be around, like people are talking about 100k, 120. 100 is a psychological number. It means anywhere, the round numbers like 150, 150, these are round numbers. So if you see 100, make sure it's going to be 90. It's going to be like a little shorter than that. Okay, let's check the RSI. The RSI is not. Yep, there it is. So the RSI, we can see it's oversold, but I'll just point out one more thing, because I made a video on RSI. That was my first video, by the way, and I'll make RSI a better video as well. My last video was for VWAP. So let's talk about RSI. You can see this candle, and this candle is going down, right? And you'll see this over here, the RSI, the same candle over here, in this one. This is called divergence. People who doesn't know and people who knows. So yep, this, we have a divergence, and but still the market can still go down. It's not like the divergence is there and straight away the market is going to shoot up. But this one, still there is a little gap, a little bit that it can go down. Yep, you can see this is oversold over here. But in daily is the most better way, because we'll talk about the candles as well in the next video, because otherwise this video is going to be too long. Because candles for daily, weekly, the candle closes is very volatile as well. So we can see this daily candle is getting over in 4 hours. So still not sure whether it's going to close below this mid. That's what I'm waiting for, to see if it's going to close below, because everything is closed. Close is very important. Until this is not closing, it's not sure that this is violated. This has violated, but not closed below this. So we have to wait, and we have to see how it's going to work. Yeah, I'm not going to give you something like high expectations like Michael Saylor or John McAfee, may he rest in peace. I'm not sure whether he's actually dead. And also Robert Kiyosaki, like the numbers which actually matters, which actually practical is, like for now, like what I feel is like 85 to 90,000. And later on when the chart develops, then we're going to analyze and see like how further it's going to go, or maybe like that will be there. But as of now, what I feel and what I can see, this is normal, because after halving, this is the process, guys. This is the process, and trust the process. This is how it always happens. This is not something like first time happening. And after every halving, the miners, they dump, not, I won't say dump, but they sell off, because that's what they earn, that's what they got paid for. So they worked for that for 4 years, and then whatever they get, they sell off after the halving. So that's what they did, and this is not the first time happening. So yeah, and how long does it take? And looking at the previous chart and all the history of BTC, Bitcoin, so what we can see is after halving, it takes around 7 to 8 months. So I strongly believe it's supposed to be November or December, the bull is going to be like boom, 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 man. So as of now, yeah, it's going to recover, it's going to get back, maybe breaking the all-time high again or coming close to back to again. But we have election very close, so election is going to be there, and we're going to see bull, man. Donald Trump is going to be there, bull is going to be there, and we're going to see the money coming in. So anyways, that's it for now. So don't panic. There is no panicking in Bitcoin or crypto. Yeah, there is some of the projects, like I would say like 95% or above, maybe 97% of the crypto is like completely crap. It's like meme or shitcoin, whatever you call it. But the projects are like completely not worth it. But not all the crypto is the future, but you have to understand where to put the money. If you guys have patience, if you're coming from traditional market and you getting from like fixed deposits or like something like few percentage, come to crypto. Come with the money which you are actually understanding that, okay, even if you lose it, it's not going to make it big impact on your life or your lifestyle. So at least put something in it, buy something. I'm not saying like only BTC, because there are others as well. A lot of projects, diamond projects there, which going to like boom in few years. Invest it and forget it. There are so many people who have invested in BTC like 10-15 years back, not 15, maybe like 10-12 years back, who have just started like moving from the cold storage. They're moving the BTC now. So imagine the patience level. And now I see people, they just jumps into crypto and they want to be millionaire on the next day. That doesn't work. Maybe like for few it did, but it doesn't work. It only works with the people who have inside news. They know what's happening, or somebody who was like completely lucky, but that's like less than 1%. Not everyone, or maybe 1%, but not 99%. They are faking it, man. Trust me, this is not the way you should learn investing. Put that, follow it, analyze, like research before you put in any of your money. Even if it's $1, research it, man. Research, do your own research, DYOR. And once you are confident, put your money, but not all of it, a little bit. Not all your eggs in one basket. I know Andrew Carnegie said in 1905 that if you want to be rich, put all your eggs in one basket, but that's not practical. Absolutely not practical. What if you drop that basket? I tried it before and it doesn't work. You have to diversify. You have to look at the projects as well. I'm going to share all the projects what I believe is going to be very bullish. I mean, like more than 50% of the projects is going to be very bullish. At least 5 to 7 projects I'm going to share with you guys. If you are interested, let me know in the comment box and let me know what do you think where BTC is going to be. And please, if you like my content and information, research, my hard work, give it a like and subscribe. I really appreciate for that. And trust me, this is going to be free from YouTube, of course. The subscription is free. It's not going to harm you. It's not going to take a penny from you, but it's going to help me. Thank you and have a good day.